Question 40. Will a wife be entitled to maintenance if she is living separately by mutual consent?
No.
The answer is no, and the answer is available in section 125, section
3.
Section 4, yes. All right. In subsection 4, there are 3 situations in which a wife shall not be entitled to receive any maintenance. So let us remember all 3 situations in one go. The first is where the wife is living in adultery. In every case where the wife is living in adultery, she is not entitled to any maintenance. Secondly, where the wife refuses to live with the husband without there being any sufficient reason with her. This is the second ground on which she will lose entitlement to receive maintenance. And the third ground is the ground with which we are concerned in this question, where the husband and wife are living separately by mutual consent. Even in this case, the wife will not be entitled to receive any maintenance allowance. So these 3 situations, living in adultery, living separately without sufficient reason, without the consent of the husband, and thirdly, where she is living separately with the consent of the husband.